Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin price. Bitcoin moved really well in the past 2 weeks, price up from $27,000 to $35,000 area. So in this video we are going to see what move we can expect next on Bitcoin price. This was previously we had a resistance, as you can see the price resist right here, resist here and resist here. Now we can see a breakout from this area. So the weekly chart is still open and we have almost 4 days more to go for this candle. So who knows, it come back down below this area, because anything can happen in 4 days. So we are going to talk based on what picture we have right now. So this was a really important area back in 2021 and 2022. Right here you can see this area acted as a strong area almost 1.5 years. Okay, so it's really a basic rule of technical analysis. If the price was spot before and it breaks down, you can expect it to act as resistance if price bounce back up to the same area. So we saw this is action right here and right here. Okay, so moving on to the current price action, what we can expect from Bitcoin. Let me just remove all this terrain so we can see it clearly. Okay, so moving on to the next, the current price action. As long as we don't break down below this area, I think bulls are really strong. If we move on to the monthly chart, we can see a resistance at $35,000 area, and you may have noticed everyone is talking about this area. So this is basically a resistance because we had a lowest close on the monthly chart here, and we saw a good move up on Bitcoin from this area. Okay, so this whole area is basically a resistance on the monthly chart. But if we just focus on the weekly chart, we have a clear higher high on the weekly scale. This was our first lower high, and then here we can see a price is breaking out of this area. So ignoring the week monthly resistance, because in my opinion all this resistance can do, as long as we don't see price breaking down below this area, all this resistance can do is can send the price down a little bit going into the next week. Then we will see price continue up. Okay, so ignoring the resistance, the most important area we have on chart is $30,000 and $32,000 area. As long as price holds above this area, a resistance can be broken anytime, as long as price holds up the structure. So the structure is this is the structure that price broke out. Okay, so as I said, you have 4 more days to go. You can wait for this weekly candle close, because you never know if it drops back below this area or it continue to push up. So basically, long story short is, as long as price holds above this area, which is $30,000 and $32,000 area, I don't really care about what's coming ahead of the price, because you can draw as many resistance as you can. You can draw resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. It's actually be a biased decision that you keep drawing zone resistance. You basically just pay attention to what the structure is, and the structure is bearish structure is broken here. So as long as we are trading above this area, you never know, price keep pushing above. So this is it for the Bitcoin price. I don't think you should be selling Bitcoin as long as price is above 30,000 area. You just need to wait for the dips to come toward this area, so it will be really less risky entry for you. So as long as price above this area, keep looking for the buys and keep riding it towards the next major levels. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next update.